Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you guys doing today? So guys, today's video I will be using one product that I just found, but I've been using that product before in Nigeria, so I just found it here in Italy, so I decided to start using it again. To my returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back to watch today's video. I really appreciate you guys. So if you are new here, you are also welcome. So guys, this is the product is damatol. So this the product is damatol and it's very good for health. So as you can see, it's just lightweight like butter. It's just like shea butter, guys. If you know the feeling of melted shea butter, this is how it just feel like on the hand. It's not that thick and it's not also that soft. It's just good. The consistency is so perfect, and then it also have that method feeling like that hotness, guys. If this one a fire, like they burn. Not also they hot, they burn. This one they burn the scalp like but it's good sha. It's going to contribute to hair growth, you know. That is all we want. We want to grow our hair, so it can also contribute to hair growth. That's the most important part of it. So going to put it on my scalp, then I will just put it on my hair also, guys. I'm using alongside my carrot oil. So I made carrot oil recently, so I will first of all use the carrot oil on my hair before I will use the dermatol hair grease treatment on top of it. Okay guys, this way is kind of help to keep my hair moisturized for a very long time. So guys, let me welcome you guys properly. To my returning subscriber, welcome back. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. I really do appreciate, and if you are new here, you are also welcome. Thank you so much for coming back to watch today's video. If you just subscribe to my channel, thank you so much for subscribing. I appreciate you guys so much. So now this product is amazing, guys. When you put it on your hair, this is hotter than veggie hair fertilizer, because this one is very hot, like it's very hot, and it's also good. So it's nice. I love this the product so much on my hair. So when I use it, I feel that hotness, guys. I will not say tingle or whatever they call it, but this one it they burn the scalp, it they hot like guys. You are not going to just it's not that it's going to burn your hair like you are going to start seeing sun on your hair, no, but the hotness, that is how I would describe it, because it's very hot. It's just like pepper. When you put pepper, as you can see, I'm trying to cool it down because it's very hot, like seriously. This is really hot, and it's also good for hair growth. That hotness is the one that is going to contribute to blood circulation in the scalp. So guys, don't mind me with this thing they hot, so that's why I'm just using my hand to kind of breathe in some fresh air. So it's very hot, like I said before. So and it also good is help to dermatol medicated hair. So scalp and skin treatment is a product enriched with vitamin A and E to smooth and protect your hair. Not only is specially formulated for promoting hair growth, scalp itching and dandruff, it also help with skin problems like eczema and pimples, and for aftershave. Okay, for men, after shaving your beards, you will kind of have that bond, razor bond. So this is good for you to cure that kind of aftershave and pimples. So it's very good. So for the hair, let's talk about the hair. That's why we are here. So it's also good, like can contribute to hair growth, like promote hair growth really fast. It can also get rid of dandruff. So if you have dandruff on your hair, So guys, if you have dandruff on your hair or itchy scalp, just try this product. Or your scalp is flake, just try this product. It's going to work so well on your hair and also on your scalp. So it works like magic. So when you're using it, you're going to see a result, like a very quick one result. So the result is going to be so really quick and fast. So just try, give it a try, and you are going to like it. Like if you have dandruff on your hair, if you have itchy scalp and you are trying to grow out your hair, I will recommend that you give this product a try. You are going to really like it. So guys, today I decided to braid my hair. So I've not really been braiding my hair for a very long time, so I just decided to braid my hair today. So I'm done with the back, so that's the back side of my hair. So now I'm just going to move to the front. So I'm just going to move to the front to also braid the front of my hair. So if you have used this product before, like you like it, just comment at the comment section below. So if you have dandruff on your hair, just try to use it on your scalp very well, so that it can help to get rid of them, your dandruff, and also your itchy scalp. So for dry hair, so you can also use this product for your hair and also for your itchy or dry uh, hair, because it tingle when you put it on your scalp. So I love that tingle part of it, because that is the major reason why it's going to promote hair growth, and it's also going to get rid of dandruff and itchy scalp and all those things that you don't want on your scalp. So if you have any uh, this scalp condition, so damatol medicated hair and scalp is going to meet all your expectations. So just give it a try, and you are going to love it so much. So it have a very nice ingredient. So it have sulfur in it, which is so good for hair growth. So you know that sulfur is so good. And you also have vitamin E, vitamin A in it, and which is so good also for our hair. It also have a mineral oil, which also help in hair growth. So it's also good for our hair as well. So applying damatol to the hair and scalp with your fingertip, massage gently, use always for effective results. Ingredients in this product: so there is petroleum jelly, mineral oil, lalone, peppermint oil, coconut oil, and menthol, and they also have sulfur and damatol concentrate. So guys, that is all the product that I have in here. I was even thinking there is shea butter in it, though there is no shea butter, but the one that I bought, I think there is shea butter in it. I don't know, I will just check it out later. So let me go and check. So guys, the one that I bought here in Italy, in Africa shop, the one that I'm using right now, the ingredients is petroleum jelly, minerals oil, lalone, shea butter. So because the product feel like shea butter do, so there's shea butter in it, and the peppermint oil and coconut oil and menthol and sulfur, and then damatol concentrate. So guys, this is the product, this is the ingredient inside. So guys, this is the ingredient inside the one that I bought in Africa shop, but the one that I googled it out. So the ingredient here is different. There's no shea butter in the one that I googled out. I don't know which one is they changed it. Maybe they changed the ingredient list, or I don't really know what happened there. So if you have used this product before, please just help me check your and just comment the ingredient at the comment section below. If there is shea butter in yours or just mine, I don't know. So that is it, guys. That is just how it's good. So the further said that is good for the hair and your skin as well, because it helps to smooth and also protect your hair. So guys, which is also good, we really need to protect and encourage our hair growth. So I'm just going to continue to use this product on my hair because this braid is looking so yummy. Like it have been a very long time now that I did a braid. So guys, just watch out, there's so many damatol video coming your way, because I'll be using it in different ways, like with different products. So I'll be mixing it with different products, and I'll also be comparing it with different products as well. So if you want to see more of how I use this damatol on my hair, just subscribe, turn on your post notification, share with your friends and family so that they can also come and watch along with you. So guys, let me just allow you guys to watch the rest of the video. Let me quickly say this product is really moisturizing. Like my hair feels so soft, as you can see, guys, and the way I use it also is also nice. Like oil before the grease. Since I started applying product to my hair like this, I've really noticed like a change in my hair. Stay moisturized like for a very long time. Oil plus grease, oil plus leave-in conditioner plus grease, but today I'm just using oil plus grease, like the damatol medicated hair and scalp treatment, hair and skin treatment. So guys, this is just it. So I'm done here, so you can see how my hair is looking like right now, guys. So this is really nice. So this in this way now I can really have access to my scalp whenever I want to apply the product to my scalp. So I can apply the product to my scalp on daily basis or every other day. So using this every day on your scalp is going to really contribute to hair growth. Like it's going to keep your blood flowing in the scalp, like that is going to really contribute to hair growth a lot. So guys, this is just how I use my damatol on my hair. Guys, my hair is on fire. Like this thing they hot, like it dey hot well. So I love it. I like it. I like the hotness. So that is nice. So guys, this is going to be the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching today's video again, and I will see you all in my next one. Stay blessed. Bye bye.